This video will take you into the mysterious phenomenon, known as the Taos hum. This strange and unexplained sound has baffled scientists and residents of Taos, New Mexico for decades. First off, let's talk about what exactly the Taos hum is. The Taos hum is a low-frequency noise that is described as a persistent sound similar to a distant diesel engine running. Many residents of Taos have reported hearing this strange noise, but what makes it so fascinating is that not everyone can hear it. Some people are completely unaware of its presence, while others are driven to the brink of insanity by its constant drone. One theory is that the Taos hum is caused by some sort of natural geological phenomenon, such as underground lava flows or seismic activity. However, studies have been inconclusive and no definitive source has been found. Another theory is that the hum is the result of man-made machinery or industrial processes, but again, no concrete evidence has been discovered to support this claim. One of the most puzzling aspects of the Taos hum is its selective nature. Why do some people hear it while others do not? Is it a psychological phenomenon, a physical anomaly, or something else entirely? Scientists have been studying the Taos hum for years, but so far they have been unable to come to any definitive conclusions. Despite the lack of concrete evidence, the Taos hum has captured the imaginations of many and has inspired countless theories and speculations. Some believe that the hum is the result of government experiments or extraterrestrial activity, while others think it is a sign of some sort of impending disaster. Whatever the cause may be, the Taos hum remains a mystery that continues to intrigue and perplex those who hear it. So, how can you experience the Taos hum for yourself? If you find yourself in Taos, New Mexico, you may have the chance to hear it firsthand. Some residents have reported hearing the hum in certain areas of the town, particularly at night when it is quiet and still. If you are lucky enough to hear the hum, take a moment to listen and let yourself be enveloped by its strange and eerie sound. In conclusion, the Taos hum is a fascinating and enigmatic phenomenon that has puzzled scientists and residents alike for years. While we may never know the true source of the hum, its mysterious nature continues to captivate us and spark our curiosity. Have you ever heard the Taos hum? What are your thoughts on this strange and elusive sound? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more intriguing content. See you next time.